Welcome to my channel. I wish you happiness and tranquility. We will talk about photoluminescence. It is the ability of some materials to emit light after absorbing it. What is the basic idea behind photoluminescence? You see, an electron orbiting an atom absorbs a photon of light, that is the packets of energy, and gets excited to higher energy state. When this electron comes back to its ground state, it emits photon of light that was initially absorbed as a form of visible light. There are two types of photoluminescence: fluorescence and phosphorescence. Fluorescent materials tend to emit absorbed energy very rapidly. You can say that fluorescence is short-term emission of light, while phosphorescence is long-term emission of light. Fluorescent materials glow only as far as source of light is available to excite the material, and this emission takes place for mere nanoseconds. You have seen the UV lamp has seen material fluoresce, and these are known as black lights. Phosphorescence is the ability of materials to glow in the dark. Phosphorescence in watch dials. This is phosphorescence that takes place in watch dials instead of using fluorescent materials. These materials absorb photons of light from a light source and re-emit those photons as light. They do so very slowly over a period of many hours. Phosphorescent paints use this phenomena. What's the reason behind this? This is because the phosphorescent materials excited electrons go to the special energy state that is called the forbidden energy state. That means instead of going back to the ground state directly, the electron goes to the forbidden energy transition state. Though the name is forbidden, but these transitions still happen, and the energy light leaks out much more slowly than in fluorescent materials in this scenario. What is watch lume? Lume is the short term for luminescence, and it is the glowing solution that is applied to watch bezel, hands, hour makers, and sometimes the actual dial itself. Strontium aluminate is the pigment that is used for watch lume today. The non-radioactive material is painted and it glows in the green or blue hue by absorbing light, then re-emitting it. And this glow usually lasts about 7 hours or so in darkness. Elements used for glow, that is superluminova. This used materials called phosphors, and they release their stored energy slowly. So they essentially glow in the dark. Luminescent watches have a greenish glow because of the particular phosphorescent pigments, that is strontium aluminate and zinc sulfide. They glow either more brightly or for longer duration. The brightness depends on the size of lume particle, the properties found in the binder, and how many layers of paints are there. Luminescent watch provides legibility in all lighting conditions, which can prove incredibly useful in diving, for camping, and other low light sports and hobbies. Thank you so much for listening attentively, and if you have any question, please let me know in comment section. Bye bye, take good care of yourself.